Say we want to see the formula arguments which are present when we are typing a certain formula. Like say we enter the formula for VLOOKUP, so we type VL, the option comes up, press the tab key, so VLOOKUP, and now you can see that there are options given: this lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup, etc. Now this is coming at this place. Now if we want this thing to appear within the cell itself, what we can do is we can press Ctrl Shift and A. Now you can see these values have started coming within the cell. You can enter, that will give you a hashtag name error, but you will be able to see the arguments which are required for the particular formula. Like for VLOOKUP, we have lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup, etc. Similarly, let us try it for SUMIF. So type sum, go to SUMIF, press tab. Now you can see range criteria sum underscore range is coming as the argument. Press Ctrl Shift A. Now the same thing has started appearing at this position. So in this way, if you want to see the formula arguments within this cell, then this is a very good way to do that.